A is for apple.
A is for apple.
The doctor upright, eat an apple going to bed. Knock the doctor on the
B is for balloon.
B is for balloon.
C is for camel.
C is for camel.
Jamel the camel has.
D is for dog.
D is for dog.
There was a farmer who had a dog.
E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
हाथी घूमने गया मकड़ी के जाल में जाके वो फंसा.
F is for fan.
F is for fan.
G is for grapes.
G is for grapes.
Green is yellow, eat me and feel so good and mellow.
H is for horse.
H is for horse.
Bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-dum, bum, bum.
I is for ice cream.
I is for ice cream.
Ice cream le lo, ice cream, ice cream.
J is for joker.
J is for joker.
K is for kangaroo.
K is for kangaroo.
Yung surfing ka, bahubali ji.
L is for lobster.
L is for lobster.
Clapping lobster, snap, snap, snippity, snap the lobster.
M is for mango.
M is for mango.
कितने मीठे मीठे आम, ना जाने कितने हैं नाम.
N is for nest.
N is for nest.
Need a new nest, I need a new nest. A nightingale.
O is for orange.
O is for orange.
5 little oranges jumping on the bed. 1
P is for potato.
P is for potato.
टोकरी में सो रहे थे, गाजर की टोकरी में सो रहे थे.
Q is for queen.
Q is for queen.
What? Yeah, Princess Vanellope Von Schweetz of the Sugar Rush.
R is for rabbit.
R is for rabbit.
I'm joking, laughing and giggling, funny.
S is for sun.
S is for sun.
Very bright. 27.
T is for tiger.
T is for tiger.
It's a tiger.
U is for umbrella.
U is for umbrella.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day.
V is for violin.
V is for violin.
Little violin, I wish I had one. Little violin.
W is for watermelon.
W is for watermelon.
X is for xylophone.
X is for xylophone.
Y is for yo-yo.
Y is for yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra.
Hey everybody, do you want to play hide and seek? Awesome!
A is for apple.
A is for apple.
Apples 5, apples 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 makes a full.
B is for bed.
B is for bed.
C is for camera.
C is for camera.
D is for duck.
D is for duck.
Quack, but only 4 little ducks came back.
E is for eggplant.
E is for eggplant.
F is for flower.
F is for flower.
G is for goat.
G is for goat.
Baby goat, yes, mama. Change your diaper, no.
H is for home.
H is for home.
This is my house.
I is for ice cream.
I is for ice cream.
J is for jelly.
J is for jelly.
Hey, jelly on a plate. Hey, whip a wobble, jelly.
K is for kangaroo.
K is for kangaroo.
L is for lobster.
L is for lobster.
M is for mango.
M is for mango.
सारे फल है प्रजा मेरी मैं सबका राजा आम
N is for nest.
N is for nest.
Hey, look.
O is for orange.
O is for orange.
I get blood oranges backed up in segments.
P is for potato.
P is for potato.
4, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more.
Q is for queen.
Q is for queen.
Wait, what? Yeah, Princess Vanellope von Schweetz of the Sugar Rush.
R is for rabbit.
R is for rabbit.
S is for sun.
S is for sun.
You know, dear, your wonderful sunset. Come on, little star.
T is for tiger.
T is for tiger.
It's a tiger!
U is for umbrella.
U is for umbrella.
Does it smell? Oh, wow! It popped open.
V is for violin.
V is for violin.
W is for watermelon.
W is for watermelon.
Eat bread, sweet, juicy pulp. Makes you want to eat it.
X is for xylophone.
X is for xylophone.
Let's play. Red.
Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo.
Yo-yo, it's my yo-yo, so you know now.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra.
Bark and snort softly. Sometimes I eat leaves, but grass may.
A is for apple.
A is for apple.
Apple, and it grew on a tree, and it grew.
B is for banana.
B is for banana.
Sit down, your bananas, and take a bite.
C is for crow.
C is for crow. There are so many of them.
D is for drone.
D is for drone.
E is for engine.
E is for engine.
I am moving down the lane.
F is for fan.
F is for fan.
G is for glass.
G is for glass.
H is for horse.
H is for horse.
मन में उड़ती थी होकर उस पे हम सवार दुनिया घूमे बारंबार.
I is for insect.
I is for insect.
Get away little pests We are doing our forces
J is for jelly.
J is for jelly.
Hey, jelly on a plate. Hey, whip a wobble, jelly.
K is for kiwi.
K is for kiwi.
In flavor, it's golden or bright green.
L is for ladies.
L is for ladies.
is for men.
M is for men.
Without our permission? But you all signed a privacy waiver. You said that was a birthday.
N is for number.
N is for number.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
O is for owl.
O is for owl.
Tonight, wish I may.
P is for pen.
P is for pen.
Q is for quail.
Q is for quail.
There's still a long way to go before the harvest. We can still be here.
R is for road.
R is for road.
S is for 6.
S is for 6.
6 bees buzzing. 6, what a magical number. See.
T is for toys.
T is for toys.
Tat tat do tat do tat tat do tat tat. Robot is in the box. Do tat tat do tat do.
U is for UFO.
U is for UFO.
V is for vote.
V is for vote.
Voting booths, votes private. Some voting booths, after all the votes have been counted.
W is for whale.
W is for whale.
You're down here playing. Let's all try to find a new game.
X is for X-ray fish.
X is for X-ray fish.
Hey kids, have you met X-ray fish before?
Y is for yo-yo.
Y is for yo-yo.
Yo-yo, it's my yo-yo, so you know now.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra.